Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good day, wherever you're watching this from. Today we are going to be talking about second chances. And I choose to label this for the purposes of this video as a mindset. A second chance is a mindset. Why do I say that? Because not everybody recognizes a second chance as a chance. That start over, that reinvestment, that replanting, that rebirth of something that you already had, loved, kept, lost, and now you're going back to start over. That can be the undoing of some people. It breaks some people psychologically, emotionally, spiritually. So for those few who see new beginnings, humble beginnings, rebuilding as a second chance, that's a mindset. And the reason why we are breaking it down in this reflection is so that you can take responsibility for creating that mindset, defining what that new beginning means to you, away from the pain, away from the shame, and every other thing that failure, betrayal, bankruptcy, or heartbreak represented to you. When you see the restart action as a second chance to heal, to earn, to grow, to parent, to be a partner or a friend or whatever your metaphorical second chance represents to you, then you are building up here the resilience, the motivation, the determination, and the humility and vulnerability to take it and own it and start over. Now imagine adding a third story on a shaky building. Your building is already, quite frankly, on its last leg. And what do? We add a third story. And your metaphorical building can be a relationship, a business, an engagement, or whatever it is that you are squeezing and forcing your amazing value into it. You're unappreciated. And you do more and more and more and more, as we humanly do, to make it work, to make us valued, to make us seen and loved and given that sense of belonging. It doesn't work just because you gave it more money, more love, more time. It works because it's healthy. And sometimes that new beginning gives you that foundation to build a firm, solid foundation on the ground, not on the third layer of insult and disrespect and minimization. Your second chance mindset gives you the ability to reframe that journey, that thing, that experience, and that action that is humbling. It helps you recreate that identity from a point of someone who is in control, a winner rather than a victim, someone who knows better, including having that certainty that they can do better this time because they lean on them, not anyone or anything else. A second chance is not a curse. A second chance is a chance that you have to take. No one can force a second chance onto us. It's very easy when life hurts you for loved ones to come across and say to you that this is your second chance. Take it and use it. It doesn't work that way. Second chances are created up here when you reframe that experience and turn it into a way that convinces or shows you the value of starting over somewhere else or here. When you rebuild that identity away from the little girl or the broken girl and the little boy to the man who needs to take control of this situation now, that accountability and responsibility. Those are the things that make second chances with ability and possibility to succeed. I wish you the best on your journey, your second chance. I wish you can see it as a beautiful rebirth, a healthier seed that you're planting at a more fertile ground. You have to make it happen. Even if you're knocking on doors, leaning on support, okay, questioning the methods, your second chance is really yours to create. And I wish you all the best on your journey.